Hello guys, I'm your local electrician based in Sector 56, Chandigarh. Today, I'm here to repair a geyser. I'll find out exactly what the issue is once I take a look at it. So let's go check it out. This is a 10-liter geyser, and the customer has reported two problems. First, it doesn't heat up fully. It doesn't reach the maximum temperature. The second issue is that the water flow is very slow. Alright friends, I've identified both problems, so I can start working on the geyser now. First, I'll unscrew the mounting bracket at the back, disconnect the wiring, and drain the water from inside the unit. After that, I'll take the geyser down, open it up, and inspect the internal components to see exactly what went wrong. Well, it turns out the geyser has completely short-circuited, and everything inside is blackened, as you can see here. I informed the customer about the estimated cost, and they gave the go-ahead to proceed. So I'm heading to the shop to pick up the parts. I've arrived at the shop now. The geyser element is 450 rupees, the gasket is 600 rupees, and the thermostat is 350 rupees, bringing the total cost to 1,300 rupees. I've brought the parts back and installed them. The job is done, and I'm heading out for my next task. But first, I'm feeling hungry, so I'm stopping at Arvind Bhai's shop for a glass of shake before moving on to the next job. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the next vlog.